There is a system in the Eastern Pacific that should develop in the next week. What will its name be and how strong will it get? That will be answered in this video. It's TBF Cyclone, Friday, June 20th, 2025. There's only one system to talk about. It has a 0% chance of development in the next 2 days and a 40% chance of development in the next 7 days. I do expect this to develop. I'm going to show you the European model because they show this developing. They show it they don't really show it getting too strong, but a moderate tropical storm, maybe a hurricane. I've seen hurricanes that have had pressure in the 990s. I do expect this chance to go up. The GFS model, or the Canadian model, they show it getting the strongest, I think. The GFS model, surprisingly, so far, doesn't show it getting really that strong. But the Canadian model, they show it getting 980s, so probably a hurricane. And then we'll see how close that gets to land. The GFS, this is the American model. They don't really show it developing. We go out in time, and they're not too strong. About the same as the European model, but I kind of expect them to show it getting pretty strong, but they're not this time. And then they show another system developing by early July. And I wouldn't be surprised if that does happen because the European model just keeps having activity and it just doesn't stop. The sea surface temperature is where the system would be. Well, what day does it develop? So the GFS model shows this developing by the 28th. So if I go to the 28th with the sea surface temperatures, this isn't updated. Oh, it's the 20th. Okay, it doesn't go that far out, so I can't show you the sea surface temperatures. This next name will be Flossie. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see ya.